My first wife didn't care for me being in show business at all. Didn't care for me being an artist either. She never looked at my work. We were married 11 and a half years.
He was married to somebody who didn't appreciate Carroll, who didn't appreciate his work.
I had a divorce in 1971. My son was only a year old when it happened. One day, I was waiting for a scene to begin. Then this woman came over and started saying things of praise about Big Bird. I had tears streaming down my face, but I'm inside the bird, so she had no idea how absolutely miserable I was at that moment. And so Big Bird said, "Thank you very much." But inside I was dying.
It was very sad to me because Carroll was, very distraught, and we just felt for him.
When I'd go home, it was the worst time. One morning I got up and it was a fog and terrible storm in my head of how unhappy I was. Suicide came strongly in my mind, and that it might be a refuge. And I opened the window and looked down the 9 stories. I closed the window quickly and I walked away from it and said, "It isn't that bad. You will find another day that's better." I think no matter how black a day is, if you can just hold on, the sun will eventually come out for you. It was really good when we were doing Sesame Street because it kept me busy.
Mickey?
Yeah.
I've heard of a mouse of the same name.
I hate birthdays. The trick's on me.
You're such an angel.
Oh, boy, let me out.
I know he liked that.
They're all good people and good friends.
Hey, I had to drive from New Jersey.
All the people involved, it was like a big family.
Pick your best friend, pick your brother, and just go have a wonderful time doing extraordinary things that are going to be shown all over the world.
They helped me a lot up through the pain of my divorce.
Then again, it might be kind of an elephant, or a funny kind of kazoo, or a strange exotic turtle that you never see in a zoo. It might be a kind of doggy, or a particular shade of blue, or maybe a pretty flower. Nah.